How to check previous Discord servers you joined. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to check previous Discord servers that you joined. So there might be some channel or servers which you joined but you might have forgotten it, or you have already left it and you still want to rejoin it. So in that case, what you can do is, the first thing what you can do is, if you remember that previous server, then all you have to do is just click on this plus icon over here and just click on join a server and click a link over here if you still have that. But if you don't have that, in that case the only option is just click on your profile section and just click on this settings icon over here, and then just tap on this data and privacy and scroll all the way down until you see this option called request all of my data. So what it basically does is, it may take your 30 days to collect your data. So Discord service team will be providing you all of your data. In that data there should be all of your previously joined channel names, server names and everything else. So that is exactly how to check previous Discord servers. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.